Hi everyone, today I'm back with a haul. I've just been to my favourite charity shop. It's a Sue Ryder charity shop. It is the best charity shop. I try to pop in about once a week and it's kind of like my little guilty pleasure, to be honest. I love going in there. And I picked up some bits today and I just had to share them with you. Firstly, I'm really chuffed with this. I've got a really nice kind of thin jumper top, which has got like the double layer, this is obviously connected, and then a quite nice detail on the back, which I liked. I don't know, maybe I would sort of get away with that, like wearing that to work on a day when I'm not seeing students. And it's from Q, which is obviously a good label, and it was £2 in the sale, so everything was half price, so that was brilliant. £2 for that, so that's a really nice top and quite a little comfortable top. Put a little bit of weight on, so some things are not so comfortable at the moment. I also got this really nice coat that I'm really chuffed with. I love grey, I'm really into sort of dark charcoal grey colour. It's got a really beautiful green lining. Everything's intact. I don't think it's really been worn very much at all, and it's got these quite nice sort of detail buttons I think are really beautiful. It's quite a sort of smart structured coat, so I would be probably wearing that for work, and that was £5, which I think is absolutely brilliant for a winter coat. The next thing that I'm really chuffed with is I just picked up this gorgeous bag. Now I love blue. Blue is my favourite colour, and when I saw it I thought I've just got to have it because I do take quite a lot to work, and I've often got files, I've often got my iPad, so I've got lots of stuff that I need to take to work, and actually in this one I think I could get away with putting it all in there. I've had a look round. I mean, it is in beautiful condition. I don't think it's ever been used, and there's no sort of label on it or anything, but and I obviously just bought it, and that was £5. So I thought that was an absolute bargain, and you can tell often when things have been used, they'll be a bit scuffed on the bottom, but it doesn't look like it's been used at all, so I'm really chuffed with that. But my biggest bargain that I'm really excited about is what's sat next to me. Now I'm going to show you what I got. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you. So I picked up this doll's house. How beautiful is this? I just couldn't believe it when I saw it, and it had literally just been put out, and I said, yes, I'll have it please, straight away. And it's got tons of furniture. I mean, in this bag there's tons more furniture and little people and bookcases and all sorts. I just thought it was absolutely adorable. I think Emily is gonna love it. I haven't even had a good look the bottom. Some little ones put some stickers on the wall. How beautiful. I think what I'm gonna do, obviously this top bit comes off as well so they can use the attic room. I think what I'm gonna do is spend some serious time cleaning it all up, tidying up the walls and things, and possibly giving them a little bit of paint and maybe a bit of pretty wallpaper, and I'm going to make that really beautiful for Emily. She just loves doll's houses, so I think she is going to love it. So I am so excited about the doll's house. I am going to have to probably put it away for a bit and actually work on it when I can, but I just absolutely loved it. It's so beautiful, and when I was younger I think I would have loved to have played with it. It cost me £10 in the charity shop, which I think is an amazing price. So I'm going to try and make that look really beautiful and probably give it to Emily as a bit of a surprise at some point. She did amazing in her parents' evening last night, so I'd quite like to do it fairly quickly and perhaps not you know, give her a reward, but just know that I just think she's such a brilliant, clever little bunny, and yeah, to give her a little present that I think she will play with for a long time and get a lot of pleasure out of. So I think for the rest of the video we are going to be going on a bike ride this weekend, and I'm going to be trying to do some baking, so come along this weekend to join us and see what we're up to. First, I take 6 ounces of butter and put it into a large mixing bowl. I add 4 ounces of light brown soft sugar, I then add 3 fluid ounces of golden syrup into the mix, and I put it in the microwave for about a minute to melt. I use a whisk to mix it all together. Once it's all come together, I add 12 ounces of oats and I just mix it together with a spoon. I then pour the mixture onto a parchment lined tin and I flatten it down with the back of a spoon. Flapjacks then go in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees. When I take them out of the oven, I let them cool in the tin for a few hours or even overnight before I cut them into squares.